In this video, you will see how Minexa.ai makes it easy to scrape education program listings from collegeboard.org, turning real web data into structured insights fast and simple. Now, go to collegeboard.org where the data you want is displayed. No forms or inputs needed here. Next, open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension by clicking its icon to start extracting data. Click the purple "I'm on the right page" button so Minexa.ai can analyze this page and detect the education program listings automatically. Minexa.ai understands the entire page structure within seconds, with no manual setup needed at all. Choose whether to scrape just the program list or include details from each program's page to get deeper data. If the page is ready, just press Continue, unless you need to handle buttons or filters before results appear. Minexa.ai has automatically highlighted the HTML container holding all the education programs. Click Create Scraper to teach it to extract at scale. Now, Minexa.ai has found all relevant data points on the page, such as program names, descriptions, and assessment details, capturing everything you need without missing hidden info. Developers can click the API request button to get a reusable scraper ID and JSON output, which is much cheaper than using LLMs for large-scale scraping. Review the settings, then click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and finalize the setup. Minexa.ai automatically detects pagination, so each run collects all pages, ensuring you get the full education program listings dataset. Validate your scraping job and click Complete Setup. You can also add scheduling for regular, fresh data updates if you want. Now, just hit Run, and Minexa.ai will start extracting every education program listing from collegeboard.org automatically. Every data point you see here, like program names, assessment types, and descriptions, comes directly from their exact locations on the page. There's no guessing or inference, just precise extraction from the right HTML elements each time, ensuring your dataset is accurate and reliable for analysis or reporting. Hit Export, and your full dataset downloads immediately, with each program listed in a separate row for easy use. Minexa.ai works on any website to deliver clean, hassle-free data. Developers enjoy no selector writing or infrastructure, just one API call for accurate, structured output.